Baltimore homeowners experience a wide range of weather throughout the year: hot, humid summers, chilly winters, and everything in between. These seasonal changes can make it challenging to maintain indoor comfort without driving up energy bills. That's why choosing the right energy-efficient window design is so important. The right windows don't just improve insulation, they enhance comfort, reduce energy costs, and complement the architectural character found throughout Baltimore neighborhoods. Here are the most effective energy-efficient window design options perfectly suited for Baltimore's climate. Double and triple pane windows for year-round insulation. Single pane windows simply can't keep up with Baltimore's temperature swings. Modern double and triple pane windows are designed to create insulating barriers that significantly reduce heat transfer. Benefits include keeping heat inside during cold winter months, blocking outdoor heat during humid summers, maintaining more consistent indoor temperatures, reducing outside noise. For a quieter home, triple pane windows offer maximum insulation and are ideal for homes exposed to wind or busy streets. Low E glass coatings to manage heat and sunlight. Low emissivity, low E glass is one of the most important features for Baltimore homes. These nearly invisible coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter. Low E glass helps by reflecting indoor heat back inside during winter, blocking excessive solar heat in summer, reducing glare from strong sunlight, protecting furniture and flooring from UV damage. This technology allows homeowners to enjoy bright interiors without overheating or energy loss. Gas-filled glass units for improved thermal performance. Energy-efficient windows often include argon or krypton gas fills between panes. These gases are denser than air, slowing the transfer of heat through the glass. For Baltimore homeowners, gas-filled windows improve insulation without increasing window thickness, reduce strain on heating and cooling systems, enhance overall comfort year-round. This feature works especially well when combined with low E coatings. Window styles designed for efficiency and ventilation. Window design plays a major role in energy performance. Some window styles naturally seal tighter than others, making them more efficient. Top energy-efficient styles include casement windows, which press tightly against the frame when closed. Awning windows, offering excellent seals and ventilation. Double-hung windows with upgraded weather stripping and insulation. Choosing the right style for each room helps Baltimore homeowners balance airflow with efficiency. Durable frame materials built for Baltimore weather. Window frames are just as important as the glass. Baltimore's humidity, rain, and temperature fluctuations require materials that resist warping and moisture damage. Energy-efficient frame options include vinyl frames, known for strong insulation and low-maintenance. Fiberglass frames, offering durability and thermal stability. Composite frames, combining strength with energy efficiency. These materials help windows maintain tight seals over time, improving long-term performance. Slim frames and larger glass areas for natural light. Modern energy-efficient window designs feature slimmer frames that increase the glass-to-frame ratio. This allows more natural light to enter the home without sacrificing insulation. Advantages include brighter living spaces, reduced need for artificial lighting, enhanced interior comfort, improved curb appeal. Baltimore homeowners benefit from increased daylight while maintaining energy efficiency. Professional installation maximizes efficiency. Even the best window design won't perform properly without expert installation. Proper installation ensures accurate sizing and alignment, complete insulation around the frame, tight exterior and interior sealing, long-lasting energy performance. Professional installation is essential for preventing drafts, moisture intrusion, and heat loss, especially in Baltimore's varied climate. Smart window design for comfortable Baltimore living. Energy-efficient window design options give Baltimore homeowners a powerful way to stay comfortable through every season while keeping energy bills under control. With advanced glass technology, efficient window styles, durable frames, and professional installation, today's windows are built to handle the city's unique climate challenges. If you're planning a window upgrade, choosing energy-efficient designs tailored to Baltimore's weather is a smart investment that delivers lasting comfort, improved efficiency, and long-term value.